Coding by Jets Krishna Sharma here from Credit and welcome to the 25th and testing episode of our JavaScript series. Today we are delving deeper into the magical world of the document object model. You can also say DOM, focusing on the DOM events and event listener. So grab your coding events and let's unravel the secret of handling event and the DOM. Understanding the DOM events. In our enchantment reel, events unfold like spells, and the DOM is our magical stage. Let's understand the essence of DOM events. So first we have this. We have to make a index.html first, then link this file. And if I make a element with a magical button name, and in the here we will write credit. Here we have a credit, and in the console if I click this, and in the console you will see, if I click this, a spell is cast with a click. So I hope you are getting. So let's move to next. We have the amazing example. This is for you. You have to practice this example. I hope you are getting this. So events are occurrences that happen in the browser like clicks, key press, and etc. Add event listener listen for a specific event on an element. So handling mouse events. So mouse movements and click are like a dance of magical spirit in our enchantment forest. Let's learn to handle this capability mouse events. So if I uncomment this, we have an enchantment element with a query. We have this element. First we have to make this element with id name enchantment element. So I will make this element here. So in this we will write credit JavaScript. So we have this element. So here we have the enchantment element, and if we mouse enter on this element, so in the console you can see a mouse has entered the enchantment element will print. So here we have this element. If I click this, you can see a mouse has entered the enchantment element. I hope you are getting. So let's move to next amazing example. You have this example for you. You have to this use on the add event listener double click. So I will uncomment this. So listening to keyboard events. The keyboard is like a magical instrument, can play enchanting tunes. Let's learn to listen to a symphony of keyboard event. Listening to a keyboard event, we have this. So first we will comment this document.add event on key down. Whenever we press key down, a key is pressed and the key name here. So let's make this. So here we have add event listener on the document. So just see, if I here and if I click key down, you can see a key down is pressed, and if I key up, then key up is pressed. Here key arrow right is pressed, left up. This is very interesting. So here we have a amazing example. You have to use this example and practice this example. So this add event listener is element is selecting the whole document, so preventing default behavior. Sometimes we need to build our magic to prevent the default action of element. Let's discover how to cast this protective spell. So here we have this example. So let form element document.select a magical form element and evaluation submit. Whenever we submit, add event prevent default, so it commit to the default. So spell submitted when we have handled this ourselves. I hope you are getting this. So this is very large example. Will cover in our upcoming video. We have this amazing example. You have to this example practice in your text editor. Link element document.selector. This is enchantment link. Query selector is selecting the enchantment link element. So whenever we click on this prevent the default. I hope you are getting this. Let's wrap up this. That wrap up our journey into the mesmerizing world of Dome events and event listener. If you found this spells intriguing, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding magic, and share your thoughts in the comment below. In our next video, we will continue to deepen our understanding of Dome, connecting the dots of this enchantment script. Until then, may your events be captivating, your listener be attentive, and happy coding.